morning. I'm here today to share with you my favorite snack. Crispy Sunbutter kale chips. I do them in a food dehydrator. And I would want to share with you one tip. If you take each chip, turn them over about 3 hours into the process, you won't get sticking to the racks. That's about the only suggestion I would want to make the process a little bit smoother for you. I'll be showing you in a few minutes, step by step, how to make them. Let's try one. I hope you can hear the crunch. Better than potato chips, hands down. Okay, we're ready to go. The reason we're using a large stainless steel bowl is because we'll be adding the kale to this mixture in a moment. First thing we'll put in is the 1/2 cup of sunflower butter. You could use peanut butter or tahini, but I really do like sunflower butter for the flavor and how it works with this. 3 tablespoons of cider vinegar, 1/3 cup of water, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, about 1/2 teaspoon of seasoned salt, a dash of hot sauce. I'm using green chili habanero hot sauce, but you can use any kind. And also, then you will add approximately 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce. And that's it. We'll whisk this together. This is what the sauce looks like, and I'll provide a list of ingredients at the end of this video. I've washed, dried, and roughly torn up my kale. I'll put it now into the sauce bowl mixture. We're going to be using our hands. Get right in there, get it mixed up. You also want to massage the kale pieces. It tenderizes them a little bit, and later on they'll be much nicer when you chew them. Add the last few pieces. Get them evenly coated. These will now go into a food dehydrator for anywhere from 5 to 6 or 7 hours. It just depends on your dehydrator and the kale, until they're crispy. Here you go. Delicious, crispy sunflower butter kale chips.